How to reverse TikTok videos. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply reverse TikTok videos by yourself. Just follow these simple steps. So first of all, we need to add some videos to TikTok. For this I will use this plus button. I just tap on it and here I can make a video right now, or I can upload any video from my gallery. Let's do the second way, and for example I will choose this video. I just tap next to edit, and now I need to tap on effects icon, and here I got a lot of options how I can add any effect to this video. And what I need to swipe left a little, and I need to go to time tab, and here I get some options. I can reverse this video, I can repeat this video, and I can slow mo this video. I need to tap on reverse. TikTok application takes about couple of seconds, and now my video plays in reverse condition. I just now tap on save, and here it is. Here I showed you how to reverse TikTok videos. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.